EasyPianoOnline.
Hello everyone! In this video we will learn Hungarian Rhapsody No. 2 by Franz Liszt. In this video we will learn part 1. Please see the website for part 2. We will begin learning the first part with the right hand. Right hand starts with third finger on A. A. Now since you hold the A with third finger, we can add in the left hand playing the A major chord. So A, C sharp and E. So again A, and chord. Now the right hand plays A third, G, A again, G again, hold the G and add the E, B flat D chord in the left hand. A, fifth is on C, fourth is on B flat, third is on A, and again A. Left hand plays the A, C sharp, E chord one more time. Right hand plays A with fourth finger. Third is on G. Again A, G. Left hand E, B flat D. Right hand F, E. Third is on G. Second is on F, E, and again E. Left hand E, A, C chord. Right hand's F. First is on E, third is on G, second is on F, first is on E, again E, left hand E, A, B fingers, 5, 2 and 1. Right hand E, left hand E, G sharp, B. Now we move on to the left hand. Fifth finger plays A. Carry the fifth finger over to E. And fingers 2 and 1 play A and C. Right hand plays first finger on E. And then we play together. Left hand fifth is on E. Together, left hand A and C, right hand third is on A. Left hand plays D, F, A. Right hand plays G sharp with the second finger. Third is on A, B, then C, first plays F, fifth is on C, fourth is on B, and together both hands play A. Left hand plays E, together left hand 2 and 1 play A and C, right hand plays third finger on A. Second is on G sharp, together both hands play A. Left hand fifth is on E, and A and C fingers 2 and 1. Right hand plays B with fourth finger, and together left hand fifth is on G, right hand fifth is on C. Carry the fifth over to E, and together left hand plays E, G and C fingers 5, 3 and 1, right hand plays C with third finger. Left hand plays G and B, right hand second is on B, third is on C, fourth is on D, fifth is on E, second is on B, fifth plays E, fourth is on D, and together both hands play C. Left hand third is on E, and together left hand C, E, G fingers 5, 3 and 1, right hand third finger is on C. Second plays B, and together again. Now the big chord. Left hand second is on E, right hand plays G sharp, B and E, fingers 1, 2 and 5. Now back to A. Left hand carry the fifth over to E. Together left hand A and C, fingers 2 and 1, and the left hand, right hand third on A. Left hand D F A, right hand G sharp, A, B, fifth is on C, first is on F, fifth is on C, B, together both hands play A. Left hand fifth is on E, together left hand A and C, fingers 2 and 1, right hand third is on A. And together both hands play A. Mind you, right hand plays A with first finger. 2 and 1 on A and C, right hand third is on C, and together left hand again the chord. Now left hand plays fifth on E, right hand plays G sharp, B and E, fingers 1, 2 and 5. Left hand third on G sharp, second is on B, first is on D, right hand first is on E, second on G sharp, third on B, and fifth is on E, and again back to A, both hands together. Left hand carry the fifth over to E, and together left hand A and C, right hand A third finger. Left hand E, and together left hand A and E, fingers 5 and 1, right hand C, E, A, fingers 1, 2 and 5. This is it for part 1. Enjoy practicing and check the website for part 2.